Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we got the Canon IP4600. Basically, if you're having any print quality issues, certain colors in printing, or just your quality overall is just kind of choppy, this is a method I'm going to show you that you can go ahead and use to solve that print quality issue. The first step is you're going to want to go ahead and open this up, and you're going to want to take a look at your ink. Now, the main cause of these problems is mainly going to be an ink cartridge problem. So you're going to want to go ahead and check out these cartridges. Even if they're running low, that could be causing a problem. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to leave a link in the description below for some new ink cartridges specifically for this printer, so that you can go ahead and buy that. Make this project contingent upon you buying this ink. Now, the next thing is you're going to want to go ahead and just lift up this latch and remove the printhead. What we're going to be doing is cleaning this printhead. As you can see, this is pretty dirty and it is in need of cleaning. Alright, you're going to want to have a container just like this, and you're going to go ahead and put the printhead right in there. You are also going to want to have a syringe kit. This is a cleaning kit that is going to help you clean this printhead. It comes with some cleaning solution and some fitments that you can go ahead and put over these nozzles here. But I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate kind of what you're going to need to do to clean up this printhead. So you're going to kind of go over each nozzle in whatever direction you choose. If you're having an overall problem, I would recommend doing what I'm doing and going over each color. But if it's just one color that you're having problems with, I would really just focus on that one color. So if you can see there's a lot of ink that just came out, all different types of colors, and that is what is causing the problem. It's dried up ink within this printhead. So if you notice, I'm doing this a couple of times, and you can do this as many times as you need to. Actually, I highly recommend you do it multiple times, and that you would completely use up all that cleaning solution. If you ever needed some in the future, it's not that expensive to get. So that's really all there is to it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and dry it off. Make sure you have a towel so you can go ahead and dry it up. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and get your newly cleaned printhead. Make sure it's completely dry. And you're just going to go ahead and put it right back in there. Now remember, make sure you have new ink when you're replacing it. If you have to wait a few days, that's completely fine. You know, just wait until you have the new ink so you can go ahead and put it back in and use it and go back to printing normally. Now, if for whatever reason this process did not work for you, you have a code now, or you had a code before and your quality still isn't that great, for sure you've cleaned it multiple times and this color just isn't printing out, I'm also going to leave a link in the description below for this printer, a newer one of these, a new version of this printer, and you can also buy the used version, and a few other printers that use similar ink. That's going to be on Amazon.com, so you can go ahead and use that to get, you know, those printers which are going to use the same ink. And for whatever reason, if you're wanting to use the same printer, some people have a lot of leftover ink and that's why they want to use the same one. So I'm going to go ahead and make that available to you as well. I'll also leave a link in the description below for a printhead if you wanted to go that route. If you're having problems with your printhead, you had a code for the printhead, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for that as well. I also have my website, bestprinterstech.com. If you wanted to browse and shop for other printers, kind of the printers that I recommend, I work on them all the time, so I have a lot of experience with which ones are the best and which ones aren't. So that's going to be somewhere on the screen here or in the description below. So I hope this was helpful. Make sure to comment below if you have any questions at all. I'll do my best to get to you. Also, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time.